welcome to another episode of The Elegant Life. My name is Erin Kurt and I am a spiritual teacher and a spiritual life coach to women who are choosing to live elegantly. Now, I get a lot of women coming to me about weight and food issues, and I have a very unique way of talking about your relationship with food. The holiday season offers a plethora of opportunities to indulge, to enjoy, and I have only one goal: for you to fully, consciously enjoy that food. But a lot of women have anxiety over this holiday season, or they just go whole hog into it, and then it comes January 1st and they feel absolutely horrible about themselves, and then starts the whole routine again of them trying to lose the weight that they gained in January. So what I want you to do is to go into this holiday season with an elegant mindset, which will most certainly help you to enjoy this holiday season without getting that regret and shame in the new year. Okay, let's begin. The first tip I have for you is to actually have a whole conscious mindset, to become conscious about your food and eating. This is what we spiritual women do here at The Elegant Life. We make conscious choices. The worst thing you can do is go to a party and see all this food and then just mindlessly put stuff onto your plate as you have a conversation with someone, and then just as you're speaking to people, just unconsciously put it into your mouth. I want you to come to every single event, household, and even in the preparation of your own meal and baked goods with a conscious mindset. So here's how you do that. You go, if you're going somewhere, you ask yourself, all right, what would my soul like to eat? It's not saying what do I want to eat, because the I is totally related to ego, and that's the stuff that sabotages and stops us. So I want you to connect to your soul. What does my soul desire to eat? That's a completely different vibration of a question rather than saying, what do I want to eat? So that is how you first step up to whatever's on the table or what is on the buffet or this kind of thing. And then when it says what you would like to eat, then I want you to ask the second question: how much? How much is so key. Speak to your soul. Does it want a tablespoon? Does it want 2 tablespoons? How much does it want? Get focused and make conscious choices. It's the mindless eating, the sitting on the sofa eating the nuts. It's the little bowls of things that people have around where you just kind of are grabbing. Every time you see food, say, does my soul, do you want that? Does my soul want that? All right, if it says yes, how much? How many? And go with that. It will never, ever lead you astray. All right, the second tip that I have is to make sure you move every single day. In some capacity, I want you to wake up and have one of the questions that you ask yourself: how do you want to move today, soul? How do you want to move today? And you make an intentional effort to do that. A lot of people already have a Fitbit. A lot of people have a steps calculator, or what are these, counters. You can ask your soul, where does it want to go for a walk? Does it want to go around the block? Does it want to go to a nice treed area? Does it want to go on the treadmill? What does it want to do? Does it want to do a Zumba DVD today? And how long? How long? What kind of movement and how long? And that is the conscious way you're going to move. Your body is designed to move. Our blood moves, our heart moves, our eyes move. Our body is created to move. And if you do not move and you have a job, as I do, that I sit a lot, either I'm coaching clients, on the computer sitting down, or I'm sitting in these beautiful chairs and I'm coaching them, I sit a lot. And so it is really imperative for me to keep my energy moving. You know, many people think we have a circulatory system, a respiratory system. We have an energetic system. And if we don't keep it moving, it becomes stagnant. And all of those issues that can take hold will take hold. So move every day, but do it in a conscious way. How do you want to move, and how long and where? These kind of questions, okay? All right, tip number 3 on how to have a great relationship with food is this. I cannot recommend enough having a green juice in the morning. Well, first off, I always say have a lemon water in the morning. Lemon water purifies your system from the nighttime toxins that your body was able to bring out overnight while it rested. And then, so the lemon drink detoxifies you. But in that detoxified state, what is fabulous to do right after is to drink a green drink. Now, I have a fabulous one that people have said, Erin, I never had green drinks before, but I tried it because you recommended it. I cannot not have it now. It's so good. I'll put the link below to that recipe below this video. You've got to do it. It is so simple, so easy, and so tasty. Now, the next tip is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, have another green drink. Now, this one you might be out in the day or you might be at work. This one is better if you have some kind of a greens powder. There's so many out there. I drink personally the Super Elixir, but there are so many that you can get. You just have to go to any health food store, any community organic food store, all of these places, even a lot of pharmacies now in the UK, Holland and Barrett, even on Amazon. Just look up a superfoods green drink, and it should have multiple types of greens, not just one. It should have, you know, maybe spirulina and chlorella and barley grass and different kind of superfoods in it is so beneficial. Now, why do I suggest you having this? Well, when you create an alkaline environment in your body via these high frequency foods, it's like your body recognizes that it is satisfied. Everything's plugged. All the holes are full. And so we don't need anything else. And your cravings for things completely go away. This happened to me just yesterday. I waited a little bit too long to eat after I had my lunch. I went out and I did some errands, I did grocery shopping, and by the time I came home, literally all I wanted to stuff in my face was like carbs and sweet things. And when I became conscious of that, then I said, ooh, I just bought a pre-made green drink. You can totally get those. And I drank that. Now, you would think that a drink wouldn't fill me up when I'm so hungry. I completely forgot about my hunger. I completely and utterly forgot about my hunger because everything that it needed hydration, and it also needed nutrition. There's something that I talk about called nutritional hunger. If you are not getting the right nutrients in your body will continuously say, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. And so that's why the cravings happen. So that's why I really recommend in the morning, set the tone for your day, and at 3 p.m., set the tone for the rest of your day. Totally, you will notice a complete difference in cravings, in appetite, and you will feel energy in the afternoon like you've not experienced before. So this is a really, really good tip. And finally, here's another way for you to be totally conscious about what you are eating. If I know that I'm going for a really big lunch, brunch, Christmas party, something like this, and I really just feel like I would love to experiment with everything that's going to be there. I know there's going to be multiple desserts. I know there's going to be multiple foods that I want to try. And so if I have that excitement inside of me, I am going to totally and fully enjoy that consciously. So what I do sometimes is in the morning, I'll have my lemon water, I'll have my green drink, but then I will also follow that up with a plant-based protein shake. mixed with some kind of a plant-based meal. It could be almond milk, coconut milk is what I always like to go to, cashew milk, there's all kind of milks that you can do. Just make sure it's plant-based. This has a higher vibration. So if you have all of that for your breakfast, you'll be full until lunch. At lunch, you'll be ready again. Have another protein shake, but make sure this time you add some things to it. Maybe a whole banana or a whole cup of berries. Berries is so good and full of fiber that will keep you full. And also you can put a big tablespoon of nut butter, maybe throw in some flaxseed or chia seed that has so much fiber and will fill you up. And then you can comfortably have your green drink at 3 o'clock and then go enjoy your party in the evening fully and consciously at the same time. But those are my tricks of a trade for truly enjoying elegantly this holiday season, these events that we're going to go to. There's no sacrificing, there's no shaming, there's no feeling bad. It's all about living at a high vibrational conscious state. It's all about joy this holiday season. So go ahead and make it an elegant week, and I will see you next week for another video on how to enjoy this holiday season without any stress. See you next week.